I'm going to take a detour and talk about the Australian journalist and activist Julian Assange. There is one similarity between him and auditors. A grave injustice is being inflicted on Julian Assange. However, while I believe he should be released forthwith, here I explain why he may not be entirely deserving of sympathy. In 2008, Assange's website WikiLeaks published the names and addresses of thousands of ordinary people who were on the membership list of a UK political party called the BNP, the British National Party. Lots of people disagreed with the policies and philosophy of the BNP and still do, but that's not what this video is about. I'm not here to debate politics. My point here is that regardless of what you think about the BNP, making public the names and addresses of ordinary members, and in many cases sensitive personal information about them, was a terrible infringement of privacy. Many of those people would have been put in physical danger. Others may have lost their employment or seen their personal relationships affected by the disclosure of this private information. By allowing this, Julian Assange demonstrated a complete disregard for the civil rights of others and his responsibilities as a journalist. Julian Assange is still in prison awaiting extradition to the United States. I said that I think he should be released. That doesn't mean I think he did no wrong to the United States. Like in Britain, the laws of the United States protect responsible journalism, including journalism that dissents from, challenges and undermines authority, and rightly so. Responsible journalists follow the correct channels to bring information to public notice. They don't just dump sensitive information in public for all to see. Defenders of Julian Assange claim that he didn't jeopardise the lives of American soldiers and officials. Even if that's true, it's not the point. He acted in a way that was reckless as to those risks, and I'm not sure we should be condoning or endorsing such behaviour. Julian Assange did not go about things the right way. It appears to me he acted irresponsibly, and at the very least, US prosecutors have an arguable case, and he should perhaps fly there and face the music. What gives me hesitation and persuades me he should be released is that I think the Americans will punish him excessively. Assuming he is guilty, what he did was wrong, but it doesn't merit the sentences being threatened by the United States. Auditors remind me of Julian Assange, and this is where I see a parallel between the two. Auditors claim to be standing up for people's rights, but they completely disregard their ethical and legal responsibilities to the people who appear in their videos. Admittedly, rights are a balancing act. In reality, we often have to de-emphasise the rights of one individual or group so as to uphold the rights of a more deserving group or the wider public interest. But that balancing exercise requires that there is a real public interest involved, be it a private interest recognised by law or the interests of the community at large. In virtually all cases, the people who appear in auditing videos have done no wrong and are often simply innocent people at work who are under an expectation or obligation to challenge someone behaving oddly or suspiciously on or near their employer's premises. If auditors believe in upholding people's rights, why do they ignore the rights of the people they film?